Hi guys and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with a brand new video for all of you, and today we're going to be sharing with you a brand new DJI drone that has been unreleased, but in today's video we're going to be sharing with you our world's first exclusive here, showing you the ins and outs of this brand new drone from DJI, and it's something completely different from everything that DJI has released in the past 10 years. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here. And if you want to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI product this year, which there will be a pretty packed rest of the year, we're gonna have stuff like the Mini 5 coming, Mavic 4, Air 3S, and now this brand new drone from DJI. You already know this is the place to come for all of the latest updates and news. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video, which will be quite interesting, and that's because our good friend Jasper Allens is back at it yet again. And whenever he shares something, he doesn't joke around or anything. I mean, whenever he posts, he literally drops a bomb. And this case, it wasn't the exception, and that is because he shared with us in his latest tweet a couple of pictures of the next DJI drone. This next DJI drone is gonna be called the DJI Neo. That's gonna be the name that's gonna be using. And without any much talking, I'm just gonna go ahead and share with you guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take it from there. I want you to see this new drone from DJI because it is very promising. So there it is. I would like to now introduce to you to the all new DJI Neo. This one in particular will be the Flying More combo, and as you can see, this is a pretty different looking drone from everything that we've seen so far from DJI. So first thing that you're going to be able to notice is obviously the design. The design is quite particular. We have a mix in between a DJI Apata 2, a DJI Spark, and kind of like a DJI Mini 4. I mean, this is a very interesting looking drone. As you can see, this will be a light drone, and we have a pretty good size camera right there. It seems like the body of the drone will be made out of plastic. Of course, we do see those props and that well-known DJRC, which I am honestly tired of seeing, but DJI keeps on putting it on their new drones. But setting that aside, the drone is definitely quite exciting. I do like that the fact that the props are encased with prop guards to make it more safe. And let's talk about what this drone really is, what its target audience is, and what can we expect to see from this drone from DJI. So this is what at one particular moment in time some people thought it might have been the revival of the DJI Spark, a very old drone which was great back in the day. But no, it turns out this is not the DJI Spark successor. This is not a DJI Mini successor nor Air successor. This is a completely brand new lineup for DJI, and this is gonna sit right underneath the Mini lineup, and that is because this drone will be even lighter than the DJI Mini 4. Now, the thing with this drone is that it is set to be an entry-level drone with a low price, making it more affordable for a wider audience. And not only that, but also being very small. This drone is gonna be very small, probably the size of our smartphone. If I had to guess, it's gonna be probably around a 6 inches in overall wingspan. So it's gonna be a pretty small and compact drone, which is going to be able to just put it in your pocket, take it out, take a nice picture in a friend's party or stuff like that. You know, it's not meant to be a long-range drone, not meant for super stable cinematography, not, but rather it's for a completely different audience, which I do believe it's a great idea that DJI is doing this to be able to allow more people that can't afford like a $15 or $2,000 Mavic 3 drone, what a DJI drone really feels like. Or even for some people that just want to have a nice small drone to fly around their house, man, this is a very exciting thing from DJI. But this is what is going to be coming here in the next few weeks from DJI. This is the first look and first contact with the DJI Neo. We have a lot of stuff coming on this brand new drone from DJI, from the specs, pricing, release date. I mean, we have a lot of exciting stuff coming in the next few days for you guys. So make sure to subscribe and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out on the latest videos as soon as they go live here on the channel. But that is going to be it for today. Let us know down in the comment section down below your thoughts on this new DJI drone. Are you excited, or do you think this wasn't really necessary for DJI to do? But that is going to be it for today's episode. Thank you so much for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion signing out.